Hi, this is Patty D. Priest and welcome to Educate Academy, brought to you by the Kentucky Academy of Technology Education. If you've watched me doing many of these Google Drive videos, you've seen me use this label called starred. I love it. When I click here, these are things that I access frequently, or they're things that I'm working with right now and I need quick access to. So all I do when I'm in Google Drive is I right-click if it's a folder, and I say Add Starred. I do the same thing if it's a file. Right-click, Add, I know it's here, Add to Starred. And when I want to get rid of it, I can either right-click on it and remove the starred, but it's a little easier to do here. So if it's here and I don't want to work on this anymore, all I got to do is right-click on it. Not that I don't want to work on it, I just don't need it right now. And I can remove from starred. It doesn't delete it from my Google Drive. It just takes it out of basically my quick shortcut, my quick access. That is the starred label. Thanks for watching and have a great day.